There comes a point in life when you feel lost, empty, like everything you built, your habits, your mindset, your motivation, is all gone. Maybe you failed, maybe you failed again, maybe you got hurt, maybe life just broke you down slowly. Until one day you wake up and didn't recognize yourself. But here's the truth, it's okay to start over, and sometimes starting over is the best thing that can ever happen to you. So, now to rebuild your life from scratch, there are some steps you need to follow. And the number one step is to accept that you are not fine. Stop pretending you are okay. Stop numbing yourself with distraction. Just pause and admit to yourself that I am not where I want to be. And that's okay because I want to change. Because nothing changes until you stop lying to yourself. This is where rebuilding actually begins with honesty. You are not weak for falling apart, you are just a human, and that's where the strength starts in choosing to rise again. So, this is the first step, that you have to accept that you are not fine with yourself. Now, in the next and on to the next step is start rebuilding your life. Rebuilding your life isn't about adding more, it's about removing what's destroying you, what put you in this situation, like toxic habits, toxic people, toxic thoughts, toxic mentality. You need to ask yourself that what is holding me back, that I keep allowing in my life, so that my life remains same and I don't get ahead. You can't build a new life while dragging around your old baggage. Let go even if it hurts, even if removing your important person means that you have to remove those people in order to move ahead in your life. Especially if it hurts, you have to let go, because maybe that's the reason why you are stuck behind. Now, you need to recreate your identity. Know and write it down, that who do you want to become? Who do you admire the most? Not what job you want, not how much money you want, but who do you want to be? You want to be a disciplined guy, a calm guy, a focused guy, a confident guy, or a guy who is disciplined, calm, focused, confident, and all of this. Start acting like that version of you today. There is a saying, no, fake it till you make it. You have to do that. Even in small ways, even if you don't feel ready, you have to start acting like that version of you. You don't become your best self by thinking about it. You become it by living it daily. You have to live like the guy who is a disciplined, who is calm, who is focused, who is confident, who does his all work properly. You have to be like him. And to start doing this, you have to focus on one habit at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start small. Either by waking up early, going for a walk, writing a journal for one page, reading for 10 minutes, just going to the gym, drinking more water. It doesn't matter what you start with. It matters that you start brick by brick and day by day. Don't do all of these activities like waking up early, going for a walk, writing one page of journal at once. You have to do it slowly. For example, if you think waking up early is your priority, do it at first, and then do it for 1 week. As a result, it will be your habit, and then you add another good habit to it, like going for a walk after waking up, and then do that for another week, and then each week after week you need to add one habit, brick by brick, day by day. That's how you rebuild. And I'll give you the best suggestion is going dark and focus, like a monk mode. You don't need to explain your comeback or setback to anyone. You don't need to post about it. You don't need approval. Just do it in dark. Just do it in monk mode. Let your result be this way to define your success. Go dark. Put your head down and build in silence. Let your result speak for you. Let your energy change when you walk in the room. Let people see the version of you they never thought you would become. Now you may feel broken now, but you are not done. You are just in the starting phase of a great success. And when you rebuild yourself with intention, with discipline, with honesty, with vision, you don't just become who you used to be, you become something more, something unshakable. Start today. Your future self is waiting for you. Your future self will be so proud of the steps your younger self or your today's self has taken for him to reach at the maximum height potential. And let me tell you one thing, sky is the limit when it comes to self improvement. So never stop working, never stop doing hard work. So this was the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video and you want to do more of self improvement things, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel, because I'm also a guy who have started self improvement, and together in this journey we can be a great teammate to each other. Thank you.